your computer and internet show on CP24. I'm Gian Lei. Coming up on today's show, how to make some extra money by setting up your own retail outlet online. We'll show you how you can do that in just a few minutes. We'll also show you how you can turn your BlackBerry into a universal remote control. We'll introduce you to the finalists for the Best Job in the World contest and Viruses 101, a refresher course in how to protect your computer. That plus Andy Walker will be joining us to take all of your calls and questions. But first, maybe something to help you get through these tough economic times. Shopify.com lets you set up your own online store in just minutes. Even Pamela Anderson uses the site to sell some of her own clothing line. So joining us now is Dimitri Onishuk to show us how it works. Hi, welcome.
Hi, very nice to be here.
Yeah, so given the economic times, I guess a lot of people are trying to do a little bit of soul searching. Maybe they're interested in opening up their own business, and your website provides that avenue.
Exactly. Right now, as you said, a lot of people, before when they used to have a reason to not start up their business, they're seeking something more secure than their current job, perhaps. And so they decided to go online, and they love to use Shopify and how we offer.
Okay, so we go to Shopify.com to get started, and how does the process work?
Well, you go to Shopify, and then you sign up for an account. You sign up for a free trial account just to see how the system works, and it literally takes about 2 minutes. I've got some of the information entered here for the homepage store,
right?
And you select your theme, your address, and then you just click on submit, and you're sure well, right now we're having a little bit of a internet connection issue, but it's done in 2 minutes, and then you can start selling your products online.
That took less than a minute, it seemed.
Well, we'll give it a little bit of a buffer.
Okay. And so just like that, you can start it up.
That's right.
And what type of businesses are we looking at?
Well, we've got a very wide range of businesses. That's one of the things that's wonderful about Shopify, is that we cater to small entrepreneurs that just want to get online, sell something that they're making in their basement, or brick and mortar stores that want to turn into brick and click stores by expanding their product offering, or just selling to a very global audience.
Okay, and so if you're inexperienced about this type of stuff, what are some of the suggestions you give to really make your website sing, to really, help you with your business?
Well, one of the things that we're very, very keen on is good design. Good design begets good customers, and so one of the things that's important for us is to make sure that we offer a very attractive store. We keep things very simple, but at the same time, we try and keep them very beautiful.
Right.
And so that's one of the first things. And this is one example of one of the stores that can be created right away. This is just a default template.
Yes.
And essentially, as you can see, everything's very, very clear, what the products are, so on and so forth.
Yeah, just looking at it quickly, it seems like it has something to do with cars, right?
Well, this is just an example, a store that's been populated with demo products, but it can be pretty much anything from t-shirts to actual cars.
Right, but the idea is, as soon as I click on, I'm seeing the products, and that's a way to attract customers and keep them on. Right?
That's exactly it. And on top of that, we also integrate with your existing website if you have one, just to make sure that there's absolutely no break of flow. When a customer is browsing your website, they can go from reading about your product right away to buying it.
Interesting. And is there a fee involved?
There are no sign-up fees, and also we offer several different types of packages where you pay a monthly fee for running the store, and what that gives you is you just have to worry about selling your products. We take care of all the headaches and the hassles, like the backups and security and so on, and we allow you to focus on just your store.
All right. And what other packages do you offer?
We have smaller packages for startup businesses, and then we also have larger packages for businesses that require much more traffic, that sell more products or specialized type of products. So basic package starting at $24 a month, and we have an enterprise package that starts at about $299.
Okay, but we need to make this clear that Shopify.com is the middle person. You're not involved in the actual business of selling these goods from each of these stores.
That's right. Yes, we just make sure that everything runs well. that everything's smooth, and that the products can get sold.
Why? What are some of the problems an entrepreneur could face if they're running their own e-store?
That's a very good question. A lot of people are afraid of going online because the problems that they face, they have to worry about, first of all, getting a designer, getting a web page, getting
somebody to maintain it.
Somebody to maintain it, exactly. Somebody to take care of the security and the hosting and the backups and things like that. And the costs involved can be, hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So what we do is we basically take all of that away, and with a Shopify site, you just worry about the basics, worry about putting your products up, taking good pictures, and that's about it.
Okay, and if a consumer is interested in checking out some of these stores, do they go to Shopify.com and then start browsing?
That's right. We have some demo stores online, and on our blog, we about twice a week we post a featured store, something that looks really nice, which is very eye-catchy, that the people can take an example of.
Okay, thanks so much, Dimitri.
Thank you.
Remember, homepage is interactive, so we definitely want to hear from you. Some of our lucky viewers who call or email us with a question will win a great prize. Today, we are giving away a copy of Shaun White's snowboarding software for PlayStation 3. We're also giving away a copy of Andy Walker's book, The Absolute Beginner's Guide to Security Scams, Spyware, and Viruses. And 2 other winners will receive an HP photo book and software. So this is how you can reach us. Within the GTA, you can dial 4